Welcome to the Soul Tribe and to this guided meditation for gratitude. Today's session is for when you're feeling caught up in your thoughts and worries and need some space and time to appreciate what you do have and be grateful in this present moment. Find a comfortable position, sitting up tall, your hands cupped in your lap, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Let us start with the breath, noticing the movement that happens with each inhale and exhale. Relax your body, sinking into the seat beneath you, your back tall and your shoulders down. Let the muscles in your face soften. Unclench your jaw. Settle in and surrender to this practice. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. All too often we neglect the present moment in favour of what is to come or what has already been. When we do this, we begin to lose sight of what we have, what is important, and how to stay grounded. It's completely natural to want more for ourselves or compare our circumstances to those of others sometimes. But in doing so, we take away from what we already have and become distracted from our own path to positivity and happiness. This practice will help you to appreciate all that you have and cultivate an attitude of gratitude to bring into your everyday life. How amazing that we have this ability to filter in oxygen and filter out carbon dioxide without even thinking about it. Be thankful for the air that we breathe, the plants and trees on this earth that produce this oxygen and cleanse the air for us. Inhale into your heart, filling your being with this sensation of fullness, of love. Turn inward, focusing on bringing your breath to your heart space, your chest expanding as you inhale. As you develop a deeper sense of awareness, experience your breath gently, opening yourself to the vulnerability of love. Bring to mind something or someone that naturally brings the feeling of gratitude to your heart. No need to think hard here. Just bring to mind what presents itself first. Something or someone that easily brings this feeling of being thankful. Hold this feeling of gratitude in your heart. For the next 10 breath cycles, repeat this gratitude affirmation so to fill yourself up with this feeling of thankfulness. I am grateful for. Finishing this sentence with what sprung to mind earlier. Inhale. I am grateful for. And exhale. And as we return to a natural, easy flow of breath, turn your attention to the environment around you. The room you are in the house that you inhabit, any familiar smells or sounds you experience. The feeling of touching your feet to the earth and sitting tall. Say to yourself, I give thanks for all the blessings I have been given. Thank you for all that is and for all that continues to be. For all of this, I am grateful. Next, bring to mind those in your life that you hold close. This could be your family, friends, a partner or pet. Say to yourself, I offer thanks to those in the support network I have been given, who have been and continue to be there for me. For all of this, I am grateful. It's also important to be thankful to ourselves for getting us this far, to this exact moment. You are entirely individual. There is nobody like you. You may be creative or charismatic, energetic or gentle. You could be romantic and resourceful or fiercely loyal and fun-loving. There are all these traits that make up you, and what an amazingly unique personality that is. Appreciate and acknowledge being completely and unashamedly yourself. Say to yourself, I give thanks to the life, well-being and safety I have been given. For all of this, I am grateful. As you continue to experience gratitude in your day-to-day life, you may even find yourself able to show gratitude for the difficult experiences that you face. Think of something challenging that may have happened to you, and try to express gratitude for the teachings this has given you. Say to yourself, I offer thanks to the lessons and teachings I have been given, and how this has helped me grow. For all of this, I am grateful. Give yourself permission to appreciate how precious life is. Say to yourself, for all of this, I am grateful. Give thanks for turning up in this moment and for the opportunity you've given yourself to experience gratitude. And as this practice comes to an end, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your attention back to the room. Finally, open your eyes. Here's to living our lives with more love and gratitude. Remember to share this meditation with anyone you think may appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe for more. We hope to welcome you back to the Soul Tribe soon.